In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create arrow animations in CapCut PC step by step using two easy methods. If you want clean motion graphics for tutorials, highlights, callouts, or YouTube edits, this is one of the fastest ways to make your videos look more professional. I'll show you the best method for precise straight arrows, and then I'll show you a masking technique that makes the arrow look like it's drawing itself on screen. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit the like button and make sure you subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump into it. First, let's look at the native shapes workflow. This is the best option if you want a clean, simple arrow that you can fully control. Open CapCut PC and start your project as usual. Once you're inside the editor, look to the top left menu and click on Stickers. From there, choose Shapes. In the Shapes section, find the arrow and click it or drag it directly onto your timeline. This adds the arrow as an editable element, which is perfect because you can style it however you want. Now that the arrow is on your timeline, you can customize it in the upper right settings panel. This is where the magic happens. You can change the color to match your branding or your video theme. You can adjust the line weight if you want the arrow to look thin and minimal or bold and attention grabbing. You can also add a shadow if you want more depth. And if you want a different look, you can switch the line style to straight, dashed, or dotted depending on the effect you're going for. Once your arrow looks the way you want, it's time to animate it. Select the arrow track on the timeline, then go to the animation panel on the right side. Choose the In Animation category because this is where you'll find entrance effects. Two really good options here are Slide Right and Fade In. Slide Right gives the arrow a smooth motion from one side, while Fade In gives it a softer appearance. After selecting your animation, use the duration slider to control how fast or slow the animation plays. A shorter duration gives you a quicker, sharper entrance, while a longer duration makes it feel more cinematic and smooth. This method is ideal when you want something fast, clean, and easy to control. It's especially useful for pointing at text, circling a subject, or adding simple visual direction in your edits. If you just need a nice arrow animation without spending a lot of time keyframing, this is probably the easiest method. Now, let's move on to the second method, which is the masking workflow. This one is best if you want the arrow to look like it is being drawn onto the screen. That effect looks really professional, and it's great for motion graphics, tutorials, and dramatic callouts. The idea here is to reveal the arrow gradually using a mask, so it feels like the line is being animated from nothing into a full arrow. To start, place your custom vector arrow or even a simple text arrow like ists onto the timeline. Make sure it's positioned exactly how you want it to appear in the final video. Once the arrow is in place, right-click the arrow layer on the timeline and select Create Compound Clip. This helps keep the animation organized and makes it easier to apply the mask effect. Next, go to the video panel on the right side and find Mask. Choose either horizontal or rectangle, depending on the shape and direction of your arrow. If needed, rotate the mask so it matches the angle of your arrow. This part matters because the mask needs to line up with the direction of the reveal. If the arrow is slanted, rotate the mask to fit that same direction. Now we're going to create the animation with keyframes. Move your playhead to the very start of the clip. At this point, drag the mask backwards so it completely hides the arrow. You want the arrow to be fully invisible at the beginning. Then click the diamond keyframe icon next to position under the mask properties. This sets your first keyframe and tells CapCut where the animation begins. After that, move the playhead forward about 10 to 15 frames, then drag the mask forward until the full arrow is revealed. CapCut will automatically create the second keyframe for you. Now when you play it back, the arrow should animate smoothly from hidden to fully visible, which creates that nice drawing effect. If the motion feels a little stiff, you can make it smoother. Right-click your animated layer on the timeline and choose Show Keyframe Animation. Then click on the keyframes and switch them to Going Smooth or use Ease In and Out if that option is available. This removes the rigid movement and makes the reveal feel much more natural and polished. And that's really the full process. If you want something simple and fast, use the native shapes workflow. If you want a more advanced and polished reveal, use the masking workflow. Both methods work really well in CapCut PC, and once you practice them a few times, you'll be able to add arrow animations to your videos in just a couple of minutes. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CapCut editing tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to animate text, circles, highlights, and other callout effects in CapCut PC in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.